In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transpose in WPS Spreadsheet. Working with data in a spreadsheet often means reorganizing information so it is easier to read, compare, or analyze. One common task is transposing data, which means changing rows into columns or columns into rows. In this video, I will show you how to do that easily in WPS Spreadsheet, whether you want to transpose your data horizontally or vertically. To begin, locate the data you want to transpose. This usually includes a column or row with titles and the numbers or values beneath them or beside them. Once you have identified the correct data, use your mouse to select the entire column or row. Make sure everything you need is highlighted before moving forward. After selecting the data, right-click on it and choose the Copy option. This copies the information so it can be placed in a new position. Next, decide where you want the transposed data to appear. Click on the cell where you want the new layout to start. This cell will act as the top left position for the transposed result. Once you click on the destination cell, right-click again to open the menu. From this menu, look for the Paste options. Within these options, you will find a feature related to special pasting. Click on the Paste Special option and a new window will appear. In this window, you will see several choices. At the bottom, there is an option called Transpose. Select this option using your mouse, then click on OK. As soon as you do this, WPS Spreadsheet will rearrange your data. Columns will turn into rows or rows will turn into columns, depending on how your original data was arranged. If you want to transpose data from horizontal to vertical or from vertical to horizontal, the process is exactly the same. Simply copy the data again, choose a new destination cell, open the Paste options, and select Transpose. This method gives you flexibility and helps you reorganize your spreadsheet without manually rewriting anything. Transposing data is especially useful creating reports, summaries, or charts because it allows you to present information in a cleaner and more logical layout. With just a few clicks, you can quickly adjust your data structure in WPS Spreadsheet. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.